Best advice I ever got as a lawyer is don't believe everything everyone tells you. It doesn't mean that a client's necessarily lying or manipulating you, and certainly that is a possibility. But recognize that in the high conflict nature of family litigation, people tend to tell you things that may be filtered through their own ego and their own viewpoint and may inadvertently leave out certain facts or construe those facts in a way most positive to them. And instead of going to the other lawyer and making a huge stink about what your client is reporting, take a step back, take a breath, and reach out to the other lawyer and say, hey, look, my client is reporting this. Can you take a look and see what you're hearing as well? And then we can see if we can find where the truth lies. That'll build so much credibility with the other side. Because if you call up somebody and say, your client's doing this and they're awful and they're a piece of you know what and they better change their ways, you don't know if it's true. You don't know if it's exaggerated. And then comes to find out there's text messages that show the opposite, that perhaps your client was exaggerating something. So it's better to say, this is what's being reported to me. Could you find out what your client says about it and see if we can find a way to resolve both interpretations of what's happening and see where the truth lies? I think that's a better way to approach things. It builds credibility with the other side. And you want your lawyer to have credibility with the other lawyer because then you can resolve things and not get caught up just pounding the table with things that you're telling him or her and then them going to the mat for you when it may not be as strong of a case as you might think it is. So be honest, take a deep breath, and don't drink the Kool-Aid. Listen, report what you're hearing, and see what you can do to gather the facts and then come to some sort of resolution based on what the other side provides you.